What is going on, guys? So right now I'm on my way to Manhattan. A little bit of traffic I was sitting through, so I decided to just do a vlog. And let's see, where do I start? If you guys have a keen eye, you can tell, well, not much really right now because it's pretty low light, but I have a new setup. I have a if you can tell, DSG paddle shifters. Let me get past this tunnel overpass. But I have a new paddle shifter setup that I wanted to try out because of the fact that I saw it on Aliexpress once again, and it's a deal that I couldn't really pass up. Alright, and right off the bat, well, first of all, I've been using these Pinalloy ones on my right for, I don't know, for 3 years. And these are tried and true. Very high quality. They've been perfect for 3 years. Never fell off, none of that sort. And the quality was great. There was no paint chips, nothing. But I just really wanted to give these a try because I wanted to go for maybe a more discreet look. These are such a great deal. These are the Aliexpress VWR Racingline replicas. And from there, it comes in multi-colors. The OEMs come with the black and silver. But for the import sites, they come with silver, black, red, and then this blue. Now I thought the blue was going to be the same shade of blue on the Pinalloy editions, but unfortunately it's a little bit darker, so that's a little bit of a dilemma that I have right now. But other than that, these are direct replacements to your OEM shifters. So what I mean by that is you have to remove your OEM paddles in order to have these on. So you also have to find a way to store your OEM paddles once you part them out. With Pinalloy, they actually have 2 pins on top and 1 pin on the bottom for you to screw on. And that's why I picked the Pinalloy edition ones first, because I don't have to worry about being difficult to remove if I were to go ahead and sell a car by messing around with the 3M tape or the residue at the end. You have to heat it up and you have to peel them off slowly, so I went with these. But let's go ahead and just talk about these new shifter paddles. It's great. And when I say it's great, I just really like the feedback of it. It has such an audible, like a satisfying click when you click on it, but versus the Pinalloy and OEM shifter combo, it's very soft when you do the upshifts. So it's fine. You get the feedback when you're doing the shifter or shifting. However, it's not the same as these Aliexpress ones. So that's the first thing that I've come to notice. Immediately when I went ahead and started my downshift, it's quick because it's the DSG transmission, but it's also the fact that there's a satisfying click for you to know that you just downshifted. But as I'm upshifting, it's very soft, it's very smooth, right? Versus this downshifting, such a nice tone. But overall, it's a very easy plug and play. It's very easy to install. I had to remove the OEM paddles when I did the steering wheel wrap, so I knew what I was expecting. You need the needle nose plier for you to go ahead and pull out that plastic pin. So in order to access that plastic pin, all you have to do is turn your steering wheel to the side, reveal the bottom portions of your paddle, and from there you can see a plastic pin that basically you have to go ahead and remove. So from there, all you have to do is pull it out, replace the replicas with the OEM ones, store your OEM ones in a safe spot, and then from there put the pin back in. And another tip that if you guys have a trim remover piece thin enough to go ahead and kind of like pry it out first before using the needle nose plier. Alright guys, so I'm done with the drive, and here is the final verdict so far. I am liking the Aliexpress paddles. So it's something new, probably that's why. But I've been using the Pinalloy editions for 3 years, and nothing against the company. They've been true supporters, and the fact that these lasted 3 years proves to you how good of a quality these paddles are. So no flaking whatsoever, no dents. Alright, it left the DSG paddle. If you don't put any type of 3M material on it, it will go ahead and dent your OEM paddles, but what I did was I put some 3M material and they're good. Alright, but like I stated before, these are something really special. They are direct replacements to the OEM paddles. So what happens is they give you a more of an audible click or confirmation, which is really satisfying when you're downshifting. So same feeling or same type of settings I will be getting if I were to swap the Pinalloy with the VWR Racingline duplicates or replicas. But if you take a look, it's much softer with the OEM ones and much more of an audible clicking with this one. So I really like this one so far, but again, I'll keep you guys updated. The only predicament I have right now, which is I'm sure I'm gonna get a lot of flack for, is a whole color scheme. So I really like the color scheme that I have going on. It kind of gives it more of a boost because of the darker interior of the R's. Alright, and as you notice, I have like this kind of light blue theme going on, especially with the cross stitching here and the steering wheel marker on the top if it focuses for me. Alright, and also the badge skins that I have going all around the car if it focuses, and along the pedals right there. Right, so I'm just saying I really like the theme going on. I don't think it's too much in my opinion. So I guess I'll give you guys an update sooner or later, but so far I might go ahead and just leave the replicas on for now. Alright, so once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Alright, so you got your kapah. I got you. Ooh, where'd it go? It just bounced off.